Sodhi. I am a second-year law student at the Faculty of Law at Delhi University. I finished my undergrad in politics and dance from Princeton University in 2015, and then after that I worked in the public policy team of a social service provider for 3 years before enrolling at the Faculty of Law. So that's my work experience and what I'm doing currently, which is studying law at Delhi University. Competition law is an elective this semester at college, and I expect that to, and it has covered the theoretical aspects of competition law. So given the duration and content of the LawSikho's course, which covers practical aspects of competition law, I thought it would be a good way to supplement what I'm learning in college. It's been, it's emphasized a lot on drafting and explaining various procedural aspects of competition law. So we've learned to, so far, draft interim applications, information, appeals, recall applications, applications for interim relief. We've drafted a lot of advisories, and now we're moving, all of that was in the enforcement part, and now we're moving on to the merger, M&A, merger control part. So I'm sure we learn other aspects that are pertinent to that facet of competition law. Shweta Rath, who is our instructor for this course, is very accessible, and whenever any of us has a question, we can post it on the WhatsApp group or just drop her a line, and she's really prompt to respond. And the live sessions are interactive, so you're free to raise your questions there. It's not like a monologue from her. It's more a conversation. Well, I did a competition law moot simultaneously. So the two complemented each other well, and I have applied to internships. I've heard back from some. So we're still working out the dates, but I mean, really, it's only then that I'll know whether this paid off. I'm confident that it will. But so like, ask me in a couple of months and I'll tell you when I've actually done an internship with somebody who practices competition law. I mean, I can comment on what value you've added for me, which is that I expect to be less disoriented when I go for my internship, because while learning the theory of law is important, I know that that does not alone make one practice ready. So now that I have but I'm more fluent in competition law than I would be just studying it theoretically. And I feel a little better prepared for an internship in competition law, and have a better grasp on what competition law looks like, whether that's something I want to do, thanks to your course.